Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word immanent. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The belief in an immanent presence of a divine being is central to many spiritual traditions. Immanent refers to something existing or operating within something else, typically in a spiritual or metaphysical sense, rather than being separate or transcendent. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.